and welcome. I am Michelle Gallagher and today I'm down on Central Avenue in Beaumont. The home just behind me, the one with the grey doors, has just come for sale. Now I have to say this is one of the most stylish two-bed terrace homes I've seen in a considerable time. It is absolutely beautiful, but it's what happens when an interior designer and decorator get together and produce something rather special. Over the course of the past 2 years, the home has been fully renovated. We're going to go inside and take a look, but before we do, just so you know, in a great location close to Lancaster Canal, the A6 with bus routes, transport links to the end of the road, and there's some great local amenities. Come on and we'll go and have a closer look. I thought first of all I'd show you the open plan living areas through to the kitchen. The kitchen has been extended, as you can probably tell behind me. But starting in here, of course, we have this fantastic multi-fuel stove. Really nice to sort of just curl up around on cooler evenings. This sitting room stroke dining room is open plan to that fantastic kitchen. If you've got the picture now showing on the screen, it's finished in cashmere grey units, and very greedily it has two large built-in family-size fridge freezers, as well as the double oven, and even that tap that you can see, well, that produces instant hot water for making your cups of coffee. No need for a kettle when you live here. The front bay fronted lounge has that nice gas fire and is decorated in really forest sagey green colours. It really does make an impact. Let's go upstairs and have a look at the master bedroom, and then we'll go outside because this home has a garden as well. So this is the master bedroom, and I really love the styling. The greys with those yellows combine absolutely beautifully. This master bedroom spans the front of the home, and it has his and her built-in wardrobes straight ahead of me, which, well, they're wall to wall and floor to ceiling. The home though also has a second bedroom now showing, and also a double room. And of course, we've also got that converted attic. What would you use it for? It could make a great home office, you know, even just posh storage, or if you've got that spare visitor. The bathroom, as you can now see, is 4-piece, very stylish again. But one of the things that I love about this home, and is quite unexpected, is the fact it has a garden and off-street parking. We'll go outside because now the summer's coming, you're going to love this. So here we are in the garden. And what's great about this property is the fact it has a garden. How many period properties can boast that? What I love though is the fact we've got this plum slate path that wends its way down to that sitting area. But don't forget, this home also has off-street parking for 2 vehicles, and it also has that courtyard that's now showing. If you'd like to know more about this property, or indeed book your private viewing, please give me a call. It's Michelle. The number is 01524 843322, and we'll happily show you around. Thanks for watching.